So today we're gonna play the magic show and learn a few tricks of magic through the classical magic show. Let's see what's inside. This is the instruction book. These are the magic cards. These are some more magic cards with numbers inside. And this is a calculation wonder. And this is the magical cone. The whirling compass. And these are the dice. And this is a rope. This is the magic wand. These are the 3 tumblers. We can call them cups. In this packet, we have 4 balls, 2 coins, and 3 rabbits. And these are smaller cups. And this is the magic bat. So these are the props that we're gonna use to learn the magic tricks. Now we will learn 81 magic tricks using these props. Alright, so today we're gonna do another magic trick with the help of these props. Alright, so I'm gonna choose one prop to do the magic. Let's pick up the dice. Alright, so I'm gonna give these dice to the second player and I'll make him shuffle these dice and I'm gonna tell you what magic we're gonna do. So first, let's clean the table. Alright, I'll give these dice to the other player and let's start the magic trick. Now the second player is gonna shuffle the dice and stop. Alright, so now I'm gonna guess what is the total of the numbers under these dice. And the second player is gonna guess the same, the total of the numbers below the dice. And we will see that the total of both the players will be same. This is a magic trick and we're gonna reveal it later. How do we do that? So right now, let me guess what's gonna be the total of the numbers below the dice. Now, I have thought of the answer in my mind. The second player will calculate the total of the numbers below the dice. And let's see what happens next. The second player has done his part. I have no clue what's written on the paper. Alright, let's see if my answer matches the second player's answer. Okay, so now I'm gonna write the total that I had in my mind. The total of the numbers below the dice. I haven't seen the numbers below the dice, but I know the answer. I'm hiding my answer from the second player. This is my answer. Let's see. What is the second player's answer? Great! It matches to my answer. It is 4. Alright, so let's play the game once again. Alright, so I'll give the dice again to the second player and let's get started. Shuffle the dice. Roll them. Alright, so I'm gonna guess the total of the numbers below the dice in my head again. I have the answer in my head. Now let's check if it matches the second player's. Alright, so the second player is calculating. I'm not looking. Alright, so he has the answer. And I'm gonna write my answer, which I'm hiding. Let's check now. I'm showing my answer. Let's see what's second player's. Alright, the answer matches. Yay! Alright, so magic trick behind is that in any dice, the total of the number that we see on the upper side and the number under it is always going to be 7. That's the logic. So what we see on the top of the dice is 5. So as we know that the total of the number on the upper portion and the lower portion of the dice is always going to be 7. So we have 5 on the upper and the other part is going to be 2 because that's the difference. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The number under the dice, the first one is going to be 2. Now looking at the other dice, the number above is 3. The total should be 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So here's 3. So we can see 4 under the dice. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So the number 4 is below the second dice. Now let's go to the third one. We have 1 on the upper side and 7 minus 1 is 6. So the number under the dice is 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So the numbers that the second player wrote are exactly the same. The first number was 2. The second was 4. I also wrote the same. And the third one was 6. Alright, so now we know how to calculate the sum of the numbers and calculate it and create the magic. 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. And the second player has the same answer. We did the magic trick! Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.